you notice two different types of application of logarithm to calculate the derivative. The first step that I'm going to take is similar to what I did in the previous module. That is, y is u1 raised to v1 into u2 raised to v2 and or this kind, u1 raised to v1 upon u2 raised to v2. In such type of function, we take direct log. This is my type 1. Let me call it as type 1. We will find the derivative by directly taking the log. For example, I have a function y is equal to, let's say, y is equal to x raised to tan x into tan x raised to x. Imagine having a function like this. So you can notice that between the term, there's a multiplication. In that case, you need to take log directly, log of x raised to tan x into tan x raised to x. When you apply this log directly, you will apply the property of log. Log m into n is log m plus log n. Then log a raised to n, so tan x into log x plus x log tan x. Now I'm in a position to differentiate. My left hand side is log y, so I'm going to find the derivative of this. So d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of tan x into log x, d by dx of tan x into log x plus x log tan x. So when you apply the derivative of log u plus v, so it will be, now next stage what I'll do is, I'll be writing tan x of d by dx of tan x into log x plus d by dx of x into log tan x. So you know that derivative of u plus v is u plus derivative of u plus derivative of v. Now this is a product too. This is u into v. This is also u into v. So how do you find the derivative of u into v? It is tan x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of tan x plus x into derivative of log tan x plus log tan x into derivative of x. So what about left hand side? This will be 1 by y dy by dx, derivative of, so I can write 1 by y dy by dx is equal to this. So dy by dx will be, y will get cross multiplied, tan x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of tan x is sec square x, okay, plus x into derivative of log tan x, sec square x upon tan x, 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x, plus log tan x into derivative of x, which is 1. Now I can replace this y by the function which is given to you, and that becomes my answer. So you need to replace it. Replace y as x raised to tan x raised to x, and then write your answer. So your final answer would be, like this. dy by dx is equal to, in place of y, x raised to tan x raised to x into tan x upon x plus log x into sec square x plus x sec square x upon tan x plus log tan x. This would be my final answer for this. Let's look at another example. Here also you can see there are two terms, cos x raised to x and 1 plus x square. The operation between them is division, and we have the property of log m by n. I can write log m minus log n. So I can directly take the derivative. So when I take the directly take log and then differentiate, do not apply u upon v method here directly. So when you take log y is equal to log of cos x raised to x upon 1 plus x squared. So I can write this as log y log of cos x raised to x minus log of 1 plus x squared, which I can write as log y is equal to x log cos x minus log of 1 plus x squared. Now, after you have done all the property of log, like the previous problem, find the derivative. I'm going to take a few steps less here. So d by dx of log y is derivative of x log cos x minus derivative of log of 1 plus x squared. Here there are two functions. One is x, other is log cos x. So you will have to apply product rule. Here there is only a single function. Log of 1 plus x squared is a single function. So your derivative will be 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x into derivative of log cos x plus log cos x into derivative of x minus derivative of log 1 plus x squared. I'll write for time being. I'll take all the formulae together. Now I can write my answer. So dy by dx will be y times x into derivative of log cos x 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x. So 1 up log cos x derivative, 1 by u derivative of u, 1 by cos x derivative of cos x. Log cos x, here what? Derivative of x. So derivative of x is 1, then derivative of log 1 plus x square is 1 upon 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square, that is 2x. So my final answer will be, so dy by dx is equal to, in place of y, I'll replace cos x raised to x upon 1 plus x square into minus x tan x plus log cos x minus 2x upon 1 plus x square becomes my final answer. This would be the answer for this particular function. So what have you noticed? Whenever two terms are dividing or two terms are multiplying, take direct log because you have direct formula for both of them. And why do you take the log? U by v is difficult to differentiate. U minus v is easy to differentiate. That's the reason why we are taking log. So wherever you can apply the property, there you must directly take log. When you cannot apply the property, then we have to do the separately. Now let's see the next problem. We have seen base and power of functions of x. Here also base and power of functions of x. How will you differentiate? We have learned that whenever base and power both have x, you must take log. But the problem here is, on majority of the students, what they do is, they write log y is log of x raised to log x plus log x raised to x. The next step, what they do is, log of x raised to log x plus log of log x raised to x. This is wrong. This is totally wrong. Why it is wrong? Because there is no formula with log of m plus n. There is no such formula, log m plus log n. Because this formula is not true, this application is wrong. So you cannot apply direct log in such type of problem. So where we cannot apply direct formula? Whenever you come across m plus n and whenever you come across log m, this way you cannot apply. There is no formula with m plus n and m minus n. We have only formula with multiplication and division. We have no formula when the numbers are added, when the numbers are added, when numbers are subtracted. When numbers are multiplied, numbers are divided, log property can be applied. Hence, this way of doing the problem is wrong, and more than 90% of the students does this mistake. To avoid this mistake, you have to remember it. This whole module is for that purpose. And it is almost in the board examinations, almost every year they ask you this kind of problem where you are likely to make a mistake. So please note this. If the functions are connected by addition or subtraction, direct log cannot be taken. Then what will you do? We'll have to differentiate each term. Whenever there's a plus sign, what do you do? What do you do when there's a plus sign? When I want to find derivative of u plus v, naturally, I have to find the derivative of u and derivative of v. So we will not apply any log here. We'll directly apply it. So I can write dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of let's say x raised to log x plus d by dx of log x raised to x. So we need to both find derivatives separately. Now you ask the question, how do you find the derivative of this? To find the derivative of this, I will call this as u and this as v. Take log for u, find its derivative. Take log for v, find its derivative and substitute back. So this is my equation 1. So I'm going to take the first constant as u. So u is x raised to log x. Now I'll take log on both the sides. Log u is equal to log of x raised to log x. Of course, you can apply the shortcut method that I'll discuss after this. So log u is equal to log x into log x. So log x into log x is what? Log x to the whole square. Log x to the whole square. So I can differentiate 1 by u, derivative of u, is 2 log x into derivative of log x. So I'll get du by dx is u times 2 log x upon x. So my answer will be u stands for x raised to log x into 2 log x upon x. That is my derivative of the first term. Derivative of u I have got. Now I will go for derivative of v. Derivative of v. So let's take the derivative of v. V is log x raised to x. So log v is log of log x raised to x, which I'll write as x log of x. Now when you differentiate this, d by dx of log v is d by dx of x times log of log x. Now I need to apply product rule. So 1 by v dv by dx is x into derivative of log x plus log of log x into derivative of x. So I can write dv by dx is v times x into derivative of log x, 1 by log x into derivative of log x plus log of log x into derivative of 1, derivative of x, that is 1. This x and this x will get cancelled. So dv by dx will be v place, I'm replacing v by log x raised to x. So log x raised to x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. So I got the derivative of first term as equation 2 and derivative of the second term as equation 3. Now if I replace it over here, if I replace this over here and this over here, I get my answer. So this is known as separately taking log. That means you differentiate term by term separately and write the answer. So my answer would be, now I'm going to write the final answer. So by substituting, so d by dx of x raised to log x is x raised to log x into 2 log x upon x. If you want, you can write log x raised to minus 1 here because powers are there. But at present, I'm not going to do that. X raised to 1 by log x plus log of log x. This would be my final answer. So very important point to remember here is when the functions are connected by plus or minus sign, you need to take each one separately, take log separately and differentiate. Sometimes you may not have to take log. For example, if I put a 2 here, you don't have to take log x to whole square, you can directly differentiate. So second term directly you can differentiate. Now I'm going to write this in another way. This is one method of writing the problem. Second method, just look at the way I'm doing the problem here. Using the shortcut method, what I taught you yesterday. What is the shortcut method? D by dx of a function is function into derivative of log of the function. And when do you apply this type of function? Whenever we have u raised to b. So u raised to b, it is convenient. Of course, if the many functions are multiplying and dividing, then also we can apply that. So if I'm writing shortcut method, I will be writing dy by dx equal to d by dx of x raised to log x plus d by dx of log x raised to x. So I'll use now the formula function into derivative of the function. Function into derivative of log of the function. Don't forget the log. Plus function into derivative of log of the function. So you don't have to take any u or v. Directly you can apply. So x raised to log x into derivative of log x into log x. So log x the whole square plus log x raised to x into derivative of x times log of log x. Now we can apply the derivative and x raised to log x into 2 log x into derivative of log x. Here will be log x raised to x. Now derivative of x log x, product rule, x into derivative of log x plus log of log x into derivative of x. Now since we have done this all 2-3 times, I'm going to write my answer directly. X raised to log x 2 times log x upon x plus log x raised to x into x 1 upon log x into 1 by x. They both will get cancelled and here you'll get log of log x. So that gives you my final answer. So this way, directly in one step you can write without taking log separately by using this property. What is the formula I told you? Whenever a base and power both have x in it, function into derivative of log of the function. We can write it in one step and get the answer. So it is faster. If you are doing this in the board examination, you must mention this formula. You must say applying this formula. You must say applying this formula, I have got this answer. That has to be mentioned if you are writing in the board exam. But if you are doing it in MCQ, no problem. Directly you can apply this. One more problem I want to make you notice. You can see 3 different types of functions over here. X raised to x is base is a function of x, power is also a function of x. Base is function of x, power is constant. Base is constant, power is a function of x. Each one, the methods are different. Let's discuss all the methods. When it is base and power are functions of x, you will apply function into derivative of log of the function. When base is a constant and power is base is a function of x, power is a constant, n u raised to n minus 1 into derivative of u. When base is a constant, power is function of x. Remember, u and v are functions of x. X is a number, a is a number. So a raised to u log a into derivative of u. These are the 3 formula. So if I ask you such a question, I am testing you whether you know all the 3. So in one question, I can test whether you know how to apply all the kind of function. So it's a very important problem. So what is the type of problem? Base and power are functions of x. Second type of problem, base is a function of x, power is a constant. Third type of problem, third type of term, base is a constant, power is a function of x. So how I will do how I will apply this formula? So I can, I need to rub it because my board is very small. So let's apply it one by one. So my answer will be differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of the whole function, 1 plus x square the whole cube plus 3 raised to x cube plus 2, which is derivative of term by term because it's addition. This is all the time you have to check whether it's addition or multiplication. So according to the operation rules, the formula also changes. So 3 raised to x cube plus 2. Now let me find the derivative of each one. So here I need to apply which formula? I need to apply function of function. That is f of x, derivative of f of x is, what is the derivative of f of x? F of x into derivative of log fx. What will you apply here? You will apply d by dx of u raised to n. What will you apply here? d by dx of a raised to u. So each one we will apply a different formula. So let me write the answer now. Function into derivative of log of the function. Here, first start with the power, reduce the power by 1 into d by dx of the base. What is the method here? Exponential function, 3 raised to x cube plus 2, log 3 into derivative of the power, x cube plus 2. Now I'll write this as this can be written as x raised to x into derivative of x log x plus 3 into 1 plus x square the whole square into derivative of 1 plus x square plus 3 raised to x cube plus 2 into log 3 into 3x square. So my derivative is over, only this I have to differentiate. So this answer would be x raised to x, product 2, x into 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x. UV rule, x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x plus 6x into 1 plus x square the whole square plus 3's power can be added, x cube plus 3, this 3's power and this 2 is added into x square into log 3. You may write, that is this 3 and this 3 powers are added. So final answer. So derivative of y with respect to x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus 6x into 1 plus x square the whole square plus 3 raised to x cube plus 3 into x square into log 3. This will be your final answer. So you have to be very careful. Each function, how do you find the derivative? So I gave this example so that we will recap